welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Tricot knitting collection. This, guys, is the number 5. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like knitting, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartender. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, it says Tricot, easy and creative. This is the number 5, guys. If you would like to see the previous 4, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And of course, guys, this collection is from Planeta DeAgostini. And well, let's open this up. On this side, we just have the table of contents there. And over here, it shows you how to make a miniature little rabbit. This I might just do because I think that would be so cute for the dollhouse, which I am collecting. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, I will have that playlist in the end cards as well. So it's really cute. It teaches you how to do it step by step. You start with the little sweater, and you just wrap it around some plush. That's really cute. I can't wait to do that. And it shows you like some variations as well. And here it shows you how to do like a different type of stitch. And what's cool is that they show you exactly what you'll need step by step. And here is another stitch that they show you that I really like, actually, this like bubble knit. That's really cute. You guys tell me what you guys think about this bubble knit. Tell me down in the comments below. And of course, it shows you the pattern. It's really cool. And then over here, guys, it teaches you how to make a hat, which looks really nice. I actually kind of like it. And here it shows you how to knit like a lanyard, like for keys or anything else like that. that's pretty cool. And over here, it shows you how to change the yarn. Like if you are working with one yarn and you want to switch to another. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here it just shows you what it will be in the next. And well guys, now it's time to check out our new yarn that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so first up we have this really pretty light gray yarn. We have 25 grams of it. It's really soft. And then we have this bright purple kind of pink yarn. I really like it too. It's just as soft as the gray one, and again, of course, 25 grams. Well guys, you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Which color do you like the best? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.